Hello, Adam Nelson here at Stone's Kia. I'm the finance manager here. You recently purchased a new or certified pre-owned Kia here, and we do appreciate that, so thank you very much. So when you were back in my office, for some reason or another, we didn't take advantage of the extended factory warranty through Kia. Some of you may be getting mail, emails, phone calls from other companies offering you their version of extended warranties. So good news is I was able to talk to Kia, work with them on offering you Kia's extended warranty. This would be a factory warranty that would include their comprehensive coverage all the way out to the 10 years, 100,000 miles, which they have allowed us now to extend the offer to you to take advantage of, along with discounted rates. Give me a call, Adam Nelson, your finance manager at Stone's Kia, 208-524-2400.